Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am making a video that is sponsored by Wick's Pies in Winchester, Indiana. And today I'm going to be making a quiche that has a little bit of pizza flavor. All right, so most quiche start out with eggs and a little seasoning. So I'm going to use about an eighth or a nice pinch of Lari seasoning salt with 4 large eggs, and I'm going to mix those up, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. But you can use cream if you like, you can use skim milk if you like, you can use soy milk. Unflavored though, I wouldn't use sweetened soy milk in this. All right, and so you want this blended quite well. All right, and then we're going to put it in Wick's pie shell. And this is a ready to bake pie shell, and you do not need to pre-bake this recipe. Okay, so I'm using the leftovers from the Wick's pizza pie I did. If you remember, I sauteed some sausage and vegetables, and I told you in that video that I was going to save some for another meal. So this is for our brunch. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to put cheddar cheese, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese into the pie dish. I wish I had reserved a little bit to go on top, but I'll fix that. Basically, you'll see I'm going to put the meat on top of there, and then I'm going to kind of pick up some of the cheese and put it on top of the meat. So, do as you like, but a little bit of the cheese on top of the meat is probably the best. Well, it's what I prefer. All right. So you don't have to use what I used. For those of you who didn't see the last video, it's peppers, shallots, tomatoes, olives, mushrooms with sausage, and a little bit of garlic. And there was a little seasoning, Italian seasoning, and caraway seeds. All right. So there you see me kind of arranging it so there's a little cheese on top of the meat as well. All right. So now, after I'm happy with the arrangement here, I'm going to pour my egg and milk mixture on the top, but be careful, don't do like I did and not pay attention, and you're going to see some of it's going to spill out. All right, so you want to do it a little more carefully and slowly because basically the milk mixture goes between the grooves and everything. But that's okay because you can see I have my jelly roll pan and foil at the bottom, so it's an easier cleanup. If this was to cook over, it would catch it. All right, so you want to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. All right. So there it is. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. All right, now it's a little puffy, but the puffiness will go down, and you want it to sit for about 15-20 minutes before cutting. I would use that time to prepare some fresh fruit or fresh vegetables, a side salad, what have you. So look how this came out nice and neatly, and I would like to tell you that Wick's pie crust goes well with both sweet and savory recipes. All right, so look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so I chopped up a little tomatoes and put a little seasoning on the tomatoes with a little bit of fresh herbs from my garden. So go ahead and hit that like button. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and check out the description box for how you can order your own Wicks. And also in certain areas, it may even be in the grocery store. If it's not, ask them to carry it. All right, well, thank you for stopping by again, and I will see you next time. Take care, y'all.